Hey, young scientists! Brother Physics here! Have you ever wondered how plants make their own food? They don't have kitchens, and I've never seen a tree ordering pizza! Plants use an amazing process called photosynthesis. So, how does it work? First, the roots absorb water from the soil and carry it up to the leaves. Next, the leaves take in carbon dioxide from the air through tiny openings called stomata. And now comes the superstar! Sunlight! Inside the leaves is a green pigment called chlorophyll. It captures energy from sunlight. The plant uses this energy to combine water and carbon dioxide to produce glucose, a type of sugar that provides food and energy for the plant to grow. But wait, there's a bonus! During photosynthesis, plants also release oxygen into the air. Yes, the same oxygen we breathe. So think about it. Plants make their own food and give us oxygen. Pretty amazing, right? Remember, sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide help plants make glucose and oxygen. Plants are basically solar-powered food factories. Keep asking questions and keep discovering. See you in the next video. Bye!
Don't forget to subscribe to Science Digest Pakistan. Like, share, and leave us a comment. See you in the next exciting science adventure.